I had a customer email me a job that they're cutting, and it's a full sheet, and she's got it nested nice and tight in order to get good yield out of it. But when she's cutting it, everything is shifting over several inches, and so these letters on the right are off the sheet. And I'm not sure what happened, but when I opened it up, first thing I looked at is to see that everything is oriented in the bottom left, and we haven't used this offset. So I'm going to have her check her file on her computer and make sure that's off because that everything is right. But I've had this happen myself. I didn't even realize it. I had clicked on use an offset in X of I don't know what I mean, say 5 inches, and in Y of 3 inches, and see how everything shifts. And so it'll recalculate, and it moved it. But you can see the whole panel is shifted over. Well, if we're going on a 48-inch sheet, our cutting width on the SmartBench is 49 and a half ish. So we wouldn't be able to get all that, but that's shifting the material from the 0 point, and you don't want that. So I'm still not sure exactly what the problem is that they're having, but we want to clear that and just so watch for this if you ever have results come up that are different than what you expect. Recalculate again. Make sure you don't have that all set kicked on. And there we are. I'm not going to save the job because this was downloaded. I want to make sure it's the same. I want to make sure it's the same file that she had when she sent it to me. So just something to watch for, and it's great to be able to do that.
Of course, it could be that the
getting unexpected results.
LED crosshairs are off as well. The calibration has been lost. So we're going to walk through how to redo it as well. And I'll show her how to air run the job again, working off the same nest, just by setting an artificial Z height off of the material. She can pick her XY00, the datum, in the corner, and then move everything up using the console to raise the tool up off the material, and then set the Z height manually on the console, then air run the job and see if it's shifted over. So there's a couple things we need to look at, but I've done that before by having that offset and didn't realize what it was, so I wanted to show that in case that was it. So I'm Eric Schiller with Yeti Tools Southeast. I sell and support the Yeti SmartBench and Vectric products across the country, and I'm happy to help you in any way I can. Thanks.